Horsey.
Do you love your horsey? Get the gun. Put the horsey down. You want me to set the gun up so you can put the horsey down? Alright, put the horsey down.
No head.
Here you go.
No head.
No head? How are you going to kill it?
I'm not going to kill it. I love my horse.
But the horsey's lame. Look at him. He's in a corner. Put him down.
Oh, stop.
Shoot the horsey.
Oh, stop.
Horse, stop?
No, she said, oh, stop.
Oh, stop. Put the horsey down.
Tail.
Tail.
Yeah.
She's kissing the horse's butt. Put the horsey down.
No.
Shoot the horsey.
No.
But the horsey wants to be shot.
I know.
Can I shoot the horsey?
No.
Me
Why not?
shoot.
You shoot?
Yeah.
Okay. Where are you going to shoot him? Up where?
Ears.
You going to shoot him in the ears?
Yeah.
Then do it.
No ears.
No ears? You're going to shoot him. Where are you going to shoot him? Okay, that wasn't the horsey. We're supposed to shoot the horsey.
No.
Good girl.
You're a bad child.
Good child.
Ava.
Good girl.
But the horsey's lame, Ava.
You have no idea what that means.
The horsey needs to go down to pasture.
I do it.
You'll do it?
You're walking.
You want me to help? I'll fix it.
Ow.
Come here. Auntie will fix it. You got it? Ask Mommy to cock it for you.
Marco.
Michael, did you hear what she just said?
Yeah.
Can you help your child cock her gun?
She doesn't want me to.
I do it.
You want me to help you? Come here.
I
What are you going to do with it?
do. Yes.
You going to shoot the horsey?
No.
Shoot the horsey.
No.
Who are you going to shoot? The chair?
Yeah.
What about the horsey? What about the horsey?
Hey.
No. I do better. Shoot. Yeah.
Shoot the horsey.
No.
Please. But the horsey needs killing.
No. Is this?
Little more.